Hello there, Harshal this side, and thank you very much for checking out AppointBee demo video. Now, AppointBee is an easy-to-use, hassle-free appointment booking system to grow any local business appointments online. It's very easy to set up and comes with exceptional features along with agency license on the front end. So you can use this for any of your business or for your clients. Now it takes only 5 minutes to enable appointment booking on any local business website that meet and greet customers every single day. For example, businesses such as doctors, dentists, spa, chiropractors, architects, schools, engineers, daycare centers, and every other business that handle customers every single day. Now, before diving into all the setup and how to get appointments, let's first look at how an end user experience looks like. So we have set up this demo site taking a clinic into consideration. Now this can be replicated for any business whatsoever. So all things that you can see on the screen such as headline, sub-headline, these drop downs, button, everything is fully customizable. So whenever a new visitor comes to book an appointment on the clinic website, he can do so in 3 simple steps. The first one is the selection. He can come here and select a doctor he's visiting. Let's select Dr. Alex Dean for now. Then select the required service. We will select general physician in this case. Now, second step is scheduling. Right, he will see a calendar with Dr. Alex availability for the month. Then he can select an appropriate date and appropriate time to schedule his appointment. Once he clicks next, he will come to the final step where he can review everything again and enter the required details and click on confirm appointment to book his slot. Easy peasy, takes a few minutes for the user and he gets an email along with reminders and so he can show up on time. Now let's look at the backend and how to set this up for any business. We are now in the backend and let's start from the general settings. Right, so in general we first have time settings where you can select base appropriate time required for one appointment. You can also add additional time base using this field over here. Then there are accessibility settings. Now the first one is auto confirm. Now in this case, if it is selected to yes, it will automatically confirm all the appointment applications for no payment required in this case. Then this allows client to cancel their own appointments. Then whenever they're canceling the appointment, where they should go, it can be mentioned over here. Okay. Then there are display settings. In case you want specific information from your client such as name, email, phone number, if you want address, city, you can go ahead and tick this as well. Then there are payment settings. Some of the businesses need payment upfront, so that provision is also here. So you can just set this to yes and you can accept payments using PayPal. Then there are notification settings. These are very important so that your customers will show up on time. You should always send a confirmation email. We have selected yes over here. Then you can configure your confirmation email over here. This is a simple email template that you can edit, and there are also placeholders that you can use. All placeholders are mentioned in the bottom of the page. Okay. Then there is one field that says send reminder email to your clients. So it's very important that you should send reminder emails to your clients, and you can send them multiple email reminders telling them that they have an appointment at a specific time and they shouldn't miss it. You can also send a reminder email to the service provider just in case. In this case, Dr. Alex will get this email like 2 hours before the appointment that they have a scheduled appointment with this so and so patient. And that's it for the general settings. Now let's go ahead and check other settings. Now about the Google Calendar, in case you want your visitors to save their appointments in Google Calendar so that they can come on time, you can just enable it from this tab here. We have already enabled it. As you can see, there are 2 types of settings. One is just the normal Google Calendar button and another is API settings. You can check in detail once you get access to this one. Then there are working hours. So every business has defined working hours, and within those hours only appointments can be scheduled. So you can come down here and you can set up working hours as well as break hours. You can also select specific service provider such as Dr. Dean in this case, and you can set working hours for Dr. Dean itself. Or if you're running a spa, if you're running a school, you can do it for your spa specialist as well as for your teachers and so on. Then there is tab that defines services, like every local business has different kinds of services. All those services can be defined here. Their capacity in a day, duration defines to a particular appointment duration. Then you can also associate a price point if the payment is required from over here, and you can add as many services as you want. Then there are service providers, like every local business have multiple service providers, like clinics have multiple doctors, spa saloons have multiple experts, hair experts and spa experts working for them. That's why you need place where you can add as many service providers as you can for any business that you're booking appointments for. So you can just come over here and add as many service providers as you want, and you can also associate them with the particular services that they can render. So people can come down and select a particular or probably their favorite service provider in that business, and they can directly book appointments with them. You can also send SMS reminders to all the people who will be visiting your business. Then there are MailChimp settings. You can also push all the records to the MailChimp and capture all the leads over there. Then there is appearance settings over here where you can choose to change the whole look and feel of the widget that you can see over here. You can change everything. You can change these colors. You can change the font and everything that you see on this page. All the settings are over here. Then we have a form positions. Now this appointment booking form can be shown in four ways. First way, we just saw the first one, this one, okay, as a demo. Then we'll go ahead and look at the second one. Second one embeds as a pop-up, just like you see, where once you click on that, you can book appointments from over here. Then the third one is just like a hello bar that you see on the top over here. You can fully customize this inside the application settings, and you can, once you click on this, you can have this as a pop-up. Last way is have a pop-up using this button. So just like that, we have four ways how you can position this form to increase appointments for any local business. Once you're done with settings, you can come down to the main screen where you can see active appointments, pending appointments, completed, as well as removed appointments. Once you have some appointments, you will see them over here. You can confirm them, you can complete them, you can mark them as paid. You can also sort and filter using different services or different service providers. So you can easily check how many appointments Dr. Alex Dean completed at a certain date and time. You can also search by a client directly from over here. Then there are pending appointments that are still pending, that has not been confirmed by the clinic administration, will come over here. You can change the status to confirm. Then there are completed appointments, and that's it. Then there is a transaction tab as well, where you can see all the recent transactions happen to for your business through this appointment booking system, AppointBee. So that's it, and thank you very much for checking out this demo video of AppointBee. I will see you on the inside.